Hey, my name is Brittany and welcome to my channel. So today we're just going to be doing a mini little review of these babies right here, and these are the Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows. So I have two shades of the Shimmer and Glow right here. So the first shade is Jezebel from the initial product launch, and then this is one of the extended shades that they added, and this is Carefree right here. So what is really nice about these is they're very similar to the Stila Glitter and Glow, but without the glitter and only shimmer. I'm sure you guys could have figured that out without me saying it, but I'm just saying. I did like the Stila Liquid Glitter shadows. I feel like those were revolutionary. Like, they were so great. I feel like it was the glitter that everybody needed for their eyeshadow look. But the only thing with that is glitter just does that thing where it just loves to travel, and it just goes literally everywhere. So with those, like, you had to apply it directly with the applicator, or like if you did like a brush, you had to like pat it on and that was it. Like, you could not manipulate it anyway, or that glitter was traveling all down your face. It was just everywhere but your eye. So I'm really glad that they decided to come out with these Shimmer and Glows, because I like these a little bit better. So what's nice about these is they're super smooth, super creamy. You can apply them directly with the applicator or with a brush or even your finger. And that's actually the best application that I really like for these. I'll just take a little bit, apply it on my finger, and I feel like I just blend it out on my lid and just gives like a nice wash of color. These are just super pigmented. They're just very smooth. Like, they're just super pretty. And honestly, I only have these two shades, and there's like a couple that I have my eye on. I really want, I think it's Pagel, which is like kind of like, it's either the red one or there's like this really gold one. I want both of them. One of them name is Pagel. I'm not sure which one now that I'm thinking about it. But I want those too, but these literally are life. So what I'm going to do is swatch these for you on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to start with this guy right here, which is Jezebel, and that is the first one that I actually got. So I'm just going to swatch it right here for you guys. And as you can see, it's just like super like shiny. It's very pigmented, very opaque, super pretty. So I did notice with this one that it had a teeny bit of silver glitter in it. It's very small. Honestly, you can't even see it. But when I blended it out with my finger and applied it on my eye, that's when I noticed. So I would say this one still has a little bit of glitter. It doesn't have that same problem that the other one does. So I really do like it, but I would describe it as kind of just like a soft rosy gold shade. And then the next shade is this one, Carefree, and this one is like super like, I don't know, I would say it's kind of rose goldy too. So I'm just going to swatch it for you guys right here. Yeah, maybe I can't really classify that one as rose gold, but I don't know how else to describe it. I would just say it's a super vibrant rosy gold color. Excuse me. But this one is Carefree, and then this one is Jezebel. And like I was saying, they're just super pigmented. They're very reflective. They just give a nice shimmer, and literally they just add like that pop to any shadow look. So I decided to look up the shade descriptions just because I feel like I was doing a bad job of describing the colors to you guys. But actually, I was like right on the nail with the Jezebel shade. So this one right here is described as a shimmering rose gold, and this one is described as a shimmering pink coral, which definitely makes sense. I was not going to be able to describe that accurately for you guys, so I'm glad I looked it up. And these do retail for $24 a piece, which I feel like is the one con about them, because I feel like it is $24 and it's like so small. Like, I feel like I need a set or something, you know. But the colors are super pretty. They're very vibrant, perfect for any shadow look. And like I said, they're great even if you apply it with your finger. So what I'm going to do is take the Jezebel shade, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when you apply it with your finger too. So I'm just going to take the space right here. I have some on the back of my hand, on the back of my finger, and I'm just kind of just like rubbing it on there so you guys can see. But it just kind of shears out the color and gives just a really nice wash of color. Like, it's just super pretty. And it's like very blendable. As you can see, it's not patchy in any way, and it dries pretty quickly. So I went ahead and did the other shade, and I applied that with my finger as well. So as you can see, these two swatches here are directly from the tube, and then these two right here are with finger swatches. And as you can see, they're still pretty pigmented, and these are just a little bit more subtle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my quick little mini review. I'm going to be trying to incorporate more content on my channel, so I figured what way to do that than do like add some mini reviews, add some skincare. It's going to be a whole bunch of new things coming to my channel, so definitely subscribe so you can stay tuned for all the new things that are coming. And then obviously if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching.